I'll let you go if you give me gold coin fruit. Sometimes you can buy a friendship. Is it the best way to make a friendship? Who knows, but it does work. So much talking, I'm tired of that too now. There's no way around it. You and I are gonna continue this conversation, stalker style. And those conversations only end when somebody dies. So let's chat, you goddamn talking ragdoll! You don't get near my sister, got it? Stay alive. Even if it means fighting dirty, that's the sweeper's way. Stay alive. Even if it means fighting dirty, that's the sweeper's way. Crazy talk. I didn't want to be a burden to my sister anyway.